Want to set a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone 8 Plus? If your answer is yes, you're in the right place. Here's the advanced tutorial on how to set a schedule for Do Not Disturb. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, go to Settings, tap Focus, then tap Do Not Disturb. Now tap Add Schedule. If you want to set the schedule for time, then tap Time. Now choose a time to start like 10 a.m. and a time to end like 6 p.m. Choose also Days. After that, tap Done in the top right corner. If you want to set a schedule for location, before that, make sure your iPhone location service is on. Then tap Location. Tap the search box, type location, like Washington, D.C. After that, tap Done in the top right corner. If you want to set schedule for app, then tap App. Select App like Books, and that's it. This is how you can properly process to set a schedule for Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 8 Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.